Hello, thank you for looking at our Konica Auto S2 that we are selling on eBay at our store, which is Cherish Me Again 1. This camera I'm selling for parts are not working. The shutter just doesn't always want to fire, and I don't know why. Anyways, we'll start with a external demonstration of it. First, the camera is very clean. It has been in a leather case. There is no corrosion in the battery compartment, and there seems to be a little dust in the viewfinder and light meter. Anyways, the outside is pretty clean. Maybe there's a few scratches here and there. There's the battery compartment. I do have the cover. The inside as well is clean. It may be a little dusty. The cover would be my only real concern. It has a little corrosion on the cover itself. I can hear something inside working. When I push the shutter button, but there's nothing releasing yet. Here's the battery cover button and the leather case that came with it, which is in, I would say, fair condition for being from the early to mid 60s. All the snaps do work. This strap is probably in, I would say, somewhat poor condition. The focus ring moves well. Everything does seem to move. The outer ring here is a little on the stiffer side, which may be normal, but it does move. Thank you for looking at our item today.